Yo, what's poppin', people? Yo, what's poppin', people? Welcome back to another episode of Bass Bros. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment down below. And subscribe. And so today we are doing a fishing tournament. As you guys can see, it is raining. We're going to wait under this tree right above us. As you guys can see, it's not really raining that bad. But we're trying to stay as possible as we can. We were going to get our car, but then we just thought we would get wet. So then we might go out for an adventure on this trail right here, as you guys can see. And we're in Silver Lake today, and it is a beautiful place. We come up here every 4th of July. It is the most amazing place. That's who was messing with us. I knew it. I knew it.
Help Joey get it in.
Here, Joey. Here. Joey, let me get the hook off. Show the camera. Hey guys, this is a little fish. He's big. Right down there on the edge of the bridge. Right down there. Oh. Join in. Okay, Joey, throw him in. We need to go let him live.
Oh my gosh, guys, I had a bite. There's so many bites.
We saw some squirrels and chipmunks over here. Here, I'll point. Yeah. I'll show you. Dad, there's a bobber right there.
Oh, he's peeing.
Okay. Guys, he's peeing. Daddy! He peed? Daddy, that was my fish sample. Dad, can I throw him in because he's bleeding? What do you got? A little hurt.
Mm-hmm. The hook got him a little bit.
Not a little hurt. Daddy,
Hmm.
that was my fish sample. Tom Hanks.
Wait, I see.
Daddy,
Let's see.
now look at my enormous You hold me, Dad.
How?
Is he still alive?
You just look at me and you hold me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay? Where? Let me see. It's okay.
Welcome back to Bass Bros.
So tell the Bass Bros why you should be careful with hooks.
Because you get hurt.
Show them what happens. Yeah, right there. Let's see. Oh, you're right there. See that red spot? So what did we learn today, Bass Bros?
Do not be close to hooks and let your parents do it.
Oh, they love me. Oh, there's more. Come on. There's over here.
Hey, get off my shirt.
Oh, this.
Get off my shorts. Dad, go.